This video is on alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are relatively simple to name as we treat the halogens as substituents. So for example, if we have a simple butane chain and an halogen on the 2 position, we would say it's 2-halobutane, or more specifically in this case, 2-bromopropane. And if you don't trust your linguistic skills, well, it's fluoro, chloro, bromo, and iodo. However, if the alkane is simple or has a common name, we can also use the alkane as a substituent. What do I mean by that? Looking at this simple compound here, it can either be bromopropane or propyl bromide. Try this one. What would you call this guy? Yes, you are right. It is tert-butyl chloride. Let's try another. What is the name of this alkyl halide? You may pause now. And here's the answer. If the compound is an alkene or an alkyne, the rules are still the same. We just name the alkene or the alkyne and you add a halide as a substituent. For example, draw the structure corresponding to this name. You may pause now. And here's the answer. Now draw alkyl bromide. Here is alkyl bromide.